my God, Flower, I'm so excited for my dad to come visit. I'm so excited for my dad to come visit, Flower.
I know, I'm excited for you too.
He lives in Ohio now.
So, are you gonna move to your dad's or? Well, I know he's coming here, but when he leaves, are you gonna go with him?
I don't know. It all depends if he asks me.
I hope he doesn't ask.
Well, do you think I should go if he asks me?
I don't want my best friend leaving.
Well, I mean, like, I barely even see my dad, so if he asks, I might go.
But then you won't be here with me.
I know, that's something I'm worried about if I do happen to leave.
But what about your brother and sister?
I know. It all depends if he asks. Marigold, I'm here! Oh my God, Dad! Hey, Flower! Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
Wait, Flower, where are you going?
He is back.
Okay, but Dad, I cannot believe that you're here. I know, I missed you, Marigold. It's a whole family reunion. Also, I cannot wait for you to meet my little sister. Here she is. Aw, she's so cute. How's Anthony? He's fine. He's actually right here. Daddy! Hello, buddy.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Now, let's party! It's gonna be a wonderful 3 days here with you. Actually, Marigold, there's been a change of plans.
You ain't taking her away. You take her away, I'ma punch you.
Actually, I'm only gonna be here one night. What?
Okay, what? I'm going home. Thank you.
Flower, goodbye, I guess?
Huh?
Goodbye, I guess?
No, I'm gonna set up a party at my house. I'll be right back.
Marigold, if you want to see me so bad, then come with me. You want me to... What? Marigold, I think you should go with Daddy. What? Why? Because you never see him. But what about you? I'm going to stay with Mommy. Okay. Fine, I guess so. Ohio, I'm going.
Marigold!
Ring, 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 ring. Where's my phone? Oh my God, where the heck is my phone? Oh my God. Where is it? Ring, 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 ring. Hello?
Marigold, the party's set up at my house, come on.
Okay. Come on, Dad, let's go.
Set up a party.
Let's go, honey. We gotta tell Flower the news. Flower, do you want to know what's happening right now?
What?
I'm moving.
No.
I'm gonna do it. Flower, I'll be back. I'm coming. I'm not gonna permanently move there. I'm gonna be back.
I'm locking your dad outside.
We have to talk about this.
I don't want to lose my
You're not gonna lose me, Flower. I'm just gonna be like...
No. No. If you're gonna go with it, you have to stay there.
I'm not staying there permanently, maybe for a few years, but I'm gonna come back.
See, a few years.
How about I just stay with him for like a year? How about that?
You're gonna watch Survivor with me. That's fine, I'll let you know. But, one thing is, I get a punch that in the face.
I'm not sure if he'll be okay with that, but I guess.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Marigold. I'm just gonna...
I kind of deserve that. I'm taking your best friend away, but can I come in?
Yeah.
Whoa, Flower, nice house.
Oh, and also...
Okay, I kind of deserve it because I'm taking your best friend away, but she never really gets to see me, so...
But still, we have a show.
Yeah, come watch Survivor with us. Okay.
I'll go get the popcorn.
Okay. Oh, honey, we gotta go in like 30 minutes.
Oh my god, this movie's so cool.
I know, Flower, we gotta go. I have to go in like 30 minutes.
I have to go use the bathroom real quick.
So, Flower, do you want to help me pack?
I guess. Let's go.
Let's go.
No. Okay, come on.
I know you're upset that I'm moving, but...
I'm not so happy that you moved away.
Well, we'll stay in touch. We'll still call and text each other.
I know, but it's so sad without you. It'll be so lonely. You're very close.
I'm gonna miss you, Marigold. I'll miss you too, buddy. I always will.
Well, I'm gonna go grab some.
I'm gonna miss you too, honey. I'm gonna miss you too. I'm gonna miss you, Mom. I'm gonna miss all of you guys. I'm not, of course, gonna miss Sarah. Boop, boop. Oh, that's my car drive. I gotta go. Aunt, wait up. I want to give you a one goodbye kiss. I love you, buddy. I love you too. Dad, I'm coming. Oh, you're driving me to the airport?
Yep, I'm driving you guys to the airport. Airport's right up ahead.
Oh my goodness. I can't believe I'm about to leave.
Oh, I know. This is gonna be goodbye, I guess.
I'm gonna miss you, Flower. I really am.
You step on I'm gonna move it.
Oh, it's ready.
Let's go.
Board my stuff on the plane and then... Boop, boop. Oh God, I gotta board the plane quick.
Yep. Seems like the plane is about to go.
Okay, wait, hold on. We gotta say goodbye. I'll take the other luggage. I'm gonna miss you.